Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to navigate the Style menu within your Jimdo ePortfolio. The Style menu is used to change the overall look of your website and also individual elements, including changing font, alignment, if you want all capitalization or not, changing the color of fonts. All of that is available to you right here. So if you go to this menu on the side and you click on Style, it's going to pull this menu across the top. In a separate video, I will explain how to change the background image of your website. But in this video particularly, I will focus on the Style menu and the Templates menu. If you leave this button on, I will show you what you can do. You can change any of the elements in your website by just clicking on it. You'll notice that the mouse turns into a little paint roller, and when you click on something, it will bring up all the available options to you, such as font, font size, bold, italic, font color, alignment, and capitalization. And you can change any one of these. Jimdo has a massive font library, and you can customize your website however you'd like, and it changes it across the site. If I were to click on a large heading, it would change all the large headings across my site. If I were to click on a medium heading, it would change all the medium headings across my site. Same thing with text or your menu. You can customize and personalize any element on your Jimdo ePortfolio. There's really no limitation, and it's entirely up to you how you stylize your website. You also have the option, if I change this to off, you'll notice that it says color scheme, font, and headings. This way, if I click on color scheme and I were to click on red, you'll notice that it changes the color scheme across my entire site, so I don't have to click on individual elements. This is if you want to give a single look across your site. It's a lot faster than the other way of having the paint roller, but if you want to customize it as much as possible, I would suggest using the paint roller. Same with font. I could change this to a different font and it would change the fonts across my entire website. And change the headings. It would change the headings for all of my website. But that's up to you. I'm going to click on undo, so it will undo all of those settings that I just changed. And I will now show you how to customize the template. Jimdo has a great selection of templates that you can use. When you first created your ePortfolio on Jimdo, it gave you a few options, but you can change those options. Right now it's set to Barcelona, but I can change that. If I wanted it to be, say, this Amsterdam theme, I can click on Preview and it will show me what will happen. You notice that it changes the overall look of my website. I have a side menu now. My menu is off to the side. It changed the overall style of my website. I can always go back with the paint roller and change individual elements, but this is to change the entire website. So that is up to you of what you want to put on your ePortfolio, how you want to change it. You can play with any one of these. If you don't like these options, you can always click on undo. If you do like one of the options, you can always click on save. I'm going to click on undo. Custom templates, as you see right here, if you were to click on that, is for if you want to change the coding for your website. If you don't know how to code, I would leave these alone, but if you do, feel free to play around with these settings. And that is how you change the style of your website using the templates and style menus. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I will see you all in the next video.